After 10 months of legal hell, my Aunt Patricia and I finally stood in probate court for the final hearing. She contested my grandmother's will, claiming I manipulated her and that the diamond ring she'd given me on her deathbed should have gone to Patricia instead. My lawyer and I had spent those 10 months gathering evidence, and we'd built an ironclad case. We showed the court that my grandmother had given Patricia over $500,000 over the years in loans and gifts, none of it ever repaid. We proved Patricia had been sued multiple times for debts and had filed for bankruptcy. We presented testimony from my grandmother's own lawyer, who said she'd been crystal clear about her wishes and had specifically wanted to protect her assets from Patricia's reckless spending. And we had medical records showing my grandmother had passed a full cognitive evaluation just 1 month before she died. She was completely sound of mind when she made her decisions. The judge reviewed everything and then delivered his ruling. The will of Eleanor Richardson is hereby validated. The claims of undue influence are without merit and dismissed. The claim regarding the diamond ring is denied. Mrs. Richardson clearly gifted the ring to her grandson. Then he turned to Patricia with an expression of pure disgust. This court does not look kindly on frivolous litigation brought solely for financial gain. The petitioner is ordered to pay the respondent's legal fees in full. My lawyer leaned over and whispered that Patricia now owed me over $150,000. But the judge wasn't finished. Additionally, per the terms of Mrs. Richardson's trust, any beneficiary who contests the will and loses forfeits their inheritance. The trust fund established for Patricia Richardson is hereby dissolved. Patricia shot up from her seat, her voice shaking. "You can't do that." "That's my money." The judge's voice was ice cold. "It was never your money. It was your mother's money, and she made very clear what should happen if you challenged her wishes." Patricia walked out of that courtroom with nothing. No inheritance, no trust fund, no ring, and a massive legal bill she couldn't afford to pay. Greed destroyed her completely. Subscribe to see more stories where justice wins and greed loses.